If we were to follow the Prophet ﷺ's sunnah and his way, every morning and evening, we would be seeking the protection of Allah from the evil that is around us. What type of evil? Evil people, evil thoughts, the whispers of shaitan, whether it is magic that people try, jealousy that people might have, the evil eye that is mentioned in the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. Sometimes you can actually affect your own self with evil eye. When is it? When you are so self-conceited and impressed by yourself that you forget Allah. You forget to connect it to Allah. You have wealth, connect it to Allah. You have good looks, connect that to Allah. You have a happy situation, connect it to Allah. By saying what? By believing this is only from Allah. He can take it away now. This is only from Allah. Whatever Allah has willed has happened. MashaAllahu. Tabarakallah. Tabarakallah. Glory be to Allah. Subhanallah. May Allah grant us from His goodness.